Hello YouTube, this is Alexander again, and today I have this robot. It's a swimming pool cleaner, and of course the owner gave me the brain of this device, and it doesn't work of course. And I wanted just to attract your attention on this kind of stuff because I was very surprised because the issue coming from this device was very unexpected, and faithfully I opened this box and I immediately found the problem after checking some components randomly, and maybe it can be useful for someone, and of course maybe it's concerning this kind of robot, but maybe for another kind of brand, because actually this box has a cord, and this power supply is coming from Yuan B004M00, and I guess this is a generic PCB, I guess. And of course it's quite complicated, and there is a sequencer here with some processor on it to choose the process cleaning, which you can see here. There is many cycles and auto start and other stuff, and also it has a non-mechanical switch on switch here. And what we can see here, there is a lot of components of this device, because this is a PFC corrector. There is a PFC on this board, okay? This is why there is so much component. But actually there is just two power supply on it. There is a little power supply, you can see here. This is a very little transformer fed by this little integrated circuit. And for the power, you have those transformer which are used like buck, and this is a boost and buck to regulate the PFC. And I made some checking component, but nothing very significant. But on the other side you have some electronic CMD components, and I want just to attract your attention on this one, which is the PFC corrector. Actually you can see those parts, but first it was a lot of glue on it, and I was immediately attracted by this area because there was the low voltage coming from the little transformer, which was like auxiliary power supply or standby power supply, and this PFC was recovered with the glue from the plant who built this card. And I made some scratching little by little, and I found this little component soldered upside down with this little capacitor and this little lead here connected to the pin 4 of this integrated circuit. So here you can see under the glue there was this lead of this diode connected to the pin 12 of this integrated circuit, and this pin 12 is connected via the diode to the pin 16. Okay, so if we look pin 12, the pin 12 is the VCC, okay, and the 16 is the V-boot. And actually there was a wire broken from here to here, and it was made on the factory, and this pin, because it was glued on the rubber, I don't know how and why, was broken. So I discovered it broken under the glue, and I put a new one, and now the device is working, I guess. I hope, at least. Okay. I called the owner because the device didn't want to run more than 10 seconds, and he explained to me that the robot needs to be on the water to work properly. But on this cable I just see 2 cables for motors and 2 cables for the fan, so I don't exactly know how it's possible to make water detection, maybe between galvanic power supply between those 2 wires, and if there is a current going from this pair to this pair, maybe, I don't know. I just need to give this device to his owner, and he will try it on his swimming pool. So, okay, let's switch on. Okay, so it was the quick video of the very quick video of the day, just to show you a very strange failure coming from tinkering from the factory, and I don't know why it was broken here, and now it's working. Hoping it will make the job on the swimming pool as the owner told me. So it was Alexander again. See you soon.